Game to me is family. I met some really awesome people here. I went to a lot of really awesome places, did a lot of really awesome stuff.
It's great how accepting game is. No matter what skill level you're at or what you want to try, there's going to be a place for you somewhere in the ensemble. We all work together to improve.
At the heart of game is the community. It's incredible being part of something where so many people from different backgrounds with different interests come together to express their love for a shared interest. There's so many opportunities to connect and bond with people in game that it's become so much more than just a music org.